I am GFD staff member engineer U. I am pleased to be here today to introduce you to operation and use of vacuum packaging machines. I will show you how to operate it below. Step 1. Turn on the power and switch on the machine. Step 2. Set the vacuum extraction time. This key is for increase. This key is for decrease. Place the wrapped ingredients in the vacuum packaging machine. Lock the carabiner. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.